Hey, get ready for a game changer in gas flow measurement. I'm Harry, the CEO of IMT Analytics, and I'm thrilled to announce the launch of our newest product line, the FlowMeter F1 and F2. These compact and affordable devices are revolutionizing the way gas flow is measured and tested. You don't need actually a complicated and expensive gas flow analyzer for checking just the flow, right? So we made easy of use the top priority so you can focus on getting the job done. Whether you are testing medical blenders or any kind of pneumatic system, the F1 and F2 will make your work a breeze. At IMT Analytics, we have 22 years of experience with gas flow analyzers, and our new flow meters are the result of 2 years of hard work and determination. I'm confident that you love these devices just as much as we do. Visit imtanalytics.com to experience the difference for yourself, and trust me, your workshop will thank you for it.